The drone industry is entering one of its most disruptive phases yet, and the latest real-world images and leaked bundle details of the upcoming Avata 360 have intensified the conversation around next-generation aerial imaging, revealing a product that could redefine both FPV flying and immersive content creation as we know it, because after months of speculation, conceptual renders, and insider chatter, we are now seeing tangible proof in the form of actual photographs, accessory layouts, controller compatibility, and regional pricing structures that strongly suggest this aircraft is nearing an official launch. And these new revelations arrive at a time when the broader UAV market has already been evolving at an aggressive pace, with recent years delivering major upgrades such as omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, LiDAR-assisted navigation, smarter subject tracking, extended transmission range, enhanced flight endurance, and increasingly capable camera systems. Yet despite all of these incremental improvements, the single biggest paradigm shift has clearly been the rise of true 360-degree aerial platforms, a trend that began gaining serious momentum when competitors introduced spherical capture drones designed to record everything around them simultaneously, forcing established brands to accelerate their own development timelines. And this pressure appears to have directly influenced the Avata 360's roadmap, as earlier leaks suggested that its development was already well underway when rival products were announced, prompting strategic decisions that led to controlled leaks and early disclosures to signal technological leadership. And now these latest images validate many of the earlier rumors, showing a compact FPV-style drone that appears flatter, longer, and more aerodynamic than previous generations, with redesigned four-blade propellers, reinforced propeller guards, lens protection protrusions inspired by crash-resistant designs, and a camera protection system clearly optimized for close proximity flying, indoor environments, and high-risk cinematic maneuvers, while the leaked Fly More style combo image reveals a color-matched ecosystem including a more rounded and compact multi-battery charging hub capable of holding 3 intelligent flight batteries, a redesigned carrying solution, updated documentation, and most importantly confirmation of RC2 controller support, which strongly implies full compatibility with the latest O4 transmission technology, delivering lower latency, higher bitrate video, and significantly improved signal stability over long distances. And another leaked image showing the powered-on controller screen further reinforces this, as it displays a rear view of the drone in FPV mode without the battery attached, clearly indicating that when operating in standard FPV configuration, only the forward-facing lens is active while the rear lens remains disabled, a dual personality approach that allows the aircraft to switch seamlessly between traditional FPV flight and full spherical capture. And one of the most intriguing elements of this design is how safety systems are expected to function, because although dedicated forward sensors are visible, it appears highly likely that the dual 180-degree lenses themselves will double as optical sensors, working in tandem with LiDAR and infrared modules to create an omnidirectional awareness bubble during automated or stabilized flight modes, enabling advanced obstacle avoidance even when capturing 360-degree footage, which would be a major leap forward in autonomous aerial safety. And pricing leaks add another layer of insight into how this drone is positioned, with Chinese market listings suggesting an entry-level package containing just the drone and a single battery priced around the equivalent of $450, a surprisingly aggressive figure that undercuts many earlier predictions, although global pricing is expected to be higher once taxes, logistics, and regional margins are factored in, likely landing closer to $500. Followed by a mid-tier bundle that includes the RC2 controller and 1 battery at an estimated $600 domestically and potentially around $700 internationally, while higher-end Fly More and FPV-focused bundles including multiple batteries, charging hubs, carrying cases, goggles, and motion controllers are expected to approach the $1,000 range globally, which aligns with existing pricing strategies for premium FPV systems. And these different bundles clearly signal that the Avata 360 is not aimed at casual beginners, but rather at creators who already understand aerial filming, dynamic flight, and post-production workflows, especially because the most headline-grabbing feature is undoubtedly its true 360-degree capture mode, where the gimbal reorients so that two ultra-wide lenses face upward and downward, each capturing roughly 180 degrees at high resolution, with onboard AI stitching these feeds into a single invisible drone 8K spherical video, allowing creators to reframe shots in post, generate cinematic camera movements after the flight, and produce immersive VR-ready content. And based on leaked specifications and parallels with existing 360 cameras, each lens is expected to deliver 4K capture individually, enabling combined 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second, along with ultra-high-resolution panoramic stills that could exceed 100 megapixels, while single-lens FPV mode would still offer impressive output such as 5K video at high frame rates and detailed still photography, making the drone versatile enough to replace both an FPV platform and a dedicated 360 camera in certain workflows. And transmission performance is another critical upgrade area, as the move from earlier systems to O4+ could extend the effective range from roughly 13 kilometers to as much as 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, while also delivering cleaner, more responsive live video feeds that are absolutely essential for high-speed FPV flying, precision maneuvers, and confident long-range exploration. And battery life is also expected to see a modest improvement, with leaked labels suggesting endurance increasing from approximately 23 minutes to around 25 minutes, accompanied by a slight weight increase to roughly 400 grams, which is a reasonable trade-off given the added sensors, dual-lens camera system, and more powerful processing hardware required for real-time stitching and obstacle detection. And internal storage is rumored to receive a substantial boost as well, potentially jumping from under 50 gigabytes to around 128 gigabytes, with micro SD expansion remaining available, a necessary upgrade considering the massive file sizes generated by 8K 360-degree footage. And when it comes to flight behavior, the Avata 360 is expected to offer multiple personalities, from stabilized modes with full sensor assistance, active tracking, gesture control, voice commands, Wi-Fi operation, and even wearable-based control concepts, to a fully manual FPV mode where all safety systems are disabled to give skilled pilots complete freedom, a mode that will require a dedicated FPV controller sold separately, reinforcing the idea that this aircraft is designed for experienced users who want total control and are comfortable with risk, advanced editing, and powerful computing requirements. And when all of these elements are considered together, from the leaked images and pricing to the confirmed controller compatibility, camera specifications, transmission upgrades, and safety innovations, it becomes increasingly clear that the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious and forward-thinking drones ever introduced in its category, with the potential to push immersive aerial storytelling into the mainstream while still preserving the adrenaline and creative freedom that FPV pilots crave, opening the door to entirely new visual styles, production techniques, and cinematic possibilities for professionals, enthusiasts, and content creators who are ready to embrace the next evolution of drone technology.